Mastering the Crate, Effective Training Techniques for German Shepherds, sablegsd.com. Introduction to Crate Training for German Shepherds. Here is a simple guide to introduce your German Shepherd to the crate. Familiarize your dog with the crate. Encourage exploration of the crate by placing treats inside and allowing them to enter on their own accord. Pro tip: use positive reinforcement such as treats and praise when you see good behavior around or inside the crate. Choosing the right crate for your German Shepherd. Teaching your German Shepherd to love their crate is like convincing your teenager to clean their room. It may take some bribing, but it's worth it in the end. Preparing your German Shepherd for crate training. Introducing your German Shepherd to the crate. Helping your German Shepherd adjust to being in the crate. Crate training for puppies. Furthermore, it is helpful to note that introducing positive reinforcement strategies will make it easier for your puppy to develop healthy habits surrounding their crate. Introducing your puppy to the crate, add comfortable bedding inside the crate, such as a soft blanket or towel. Helping your puppy adjust to being in the crate. Troubleshooting common issues in crate training for German Shepherds, using the crate for other purposes. Aside from using the crate to train your German Shepherd puppy to be comfortable in enclosed spaces, you can use it for several other purposes as well. As much as I love my dog, I'm pretty sure he loves his crate more than me. It's like his own personal man cave. Gradually weaning your German Shepherd off of the crate. In conclusion, the benefits of crate training for German Shepherds. Successfully crate training a German Shepherd can provide numerous advantages, including promoting household harmony, enhancing safety, and improving overall comfort for both pet and owner. With proper training, which should be consistent and patient, your German Shepherd will quickly become accustomed to their den and will actively seek out the crate as a comfortable retreat anytime they need space or quiet time.